Today I will show you how to add checkboxes to your data in a DGV. This allows you to select all or individual rows and use them later in the code. So have fun! For our example, I already prepared a form with a DGV and 2 buttons. To check later the boxes, you have to enable additions on the data grid view. For the example data, I created a small method that loads some data into our DGV. As next step, we add the checkbox column to our DGV and place it at the first position, using the insert method. Now the user can already manually select individual rows, but it's much work if you want to select all rows of the DGV. For this we will use the Select All button and put some code into his click event. Now it is possible for the user to interact with the DGV and select individual or all rows that he wants. But how can we interact with the user input and use it in our code? This I show you in the click event from the Show button. In this event we loop with a for each loop, throw all rows in the DGV, and depend on selection we add it to our list. In this list we store the needed data. In this example we use the value from the count column. We can also use the list as a counter to get the number of all selected rows. For this example we use the MessageBox class for our output. But everything is possible. If you want more about DGV like search or buttons, feel free to go to my channel and look at the other videos. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.